So you get your manual. It also comes with the hardware to hang it. So you have the panel here. This will power it. And then here is the light. This is a nice light. Glass, metal. It has a nice hanger here. It's heavy, actually. This is really super high quality. It comes with a light bulb, which is great. This does have a motion sensor. There are 3 modes that you can do. One is the light is dim, but also has a sensor. And then you have just regular sensor, and then you have no sensor, just light. So you have some choices there. This cable here is 16 feet long, so you can take this and really just put it as high as you want to be able to get it as much power as possible. This is waterproof, so you don't have to worry about that. And the look of this is honestly, if I look at this, I immediately tell you this has a really clean look to it. A little bit of farmhouse, a little bit of bohemian look, definitely kind of a retro style, beautiful work. This has a 2200 mAh battery, 3.7 volts. It's very easy to install. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and install this, and then we will talk about it a little bit more when it gets dark outside. On the back here, there are some holes for you to install. And then this has this part here that you can use as well, because they connect together. So let me go ahead and put this on the side of the house, and I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, here it is. I went ahead and I put it on the side of my fence because I think that this is an area that does need the sensor. And I have actually this up top just charging it right now. But let me go ahead and let this charge up for a little bit, and I'll show you what it looks like at night. Here it is at night. This is really nice. As you can see, it's blinking right now. This will show that the sensor is working. I have it just on, but just remember that there are 3 different modes. This is really pretty. It's really, really nice looking at night. It's definitely a classic look. It was very easy to hang. I love the solar part of it. I definitely don't have power outside, so this is really the only way to let this happen. I love this. It's high quality. I highly recommend it.